Hey Baddie and business family, my name is Isabella. I am the owner of two six-figure earning online businesses, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made $80,000 in 1 month. I just want to start off by saying this video is not meant to brag or flex. You guys know on my YouTube channel, I love to see other people winning, and I believe by being transparent with my finances and sharing how much money I make and just sharing all the details with you guys, that I am able to help you guys and inspire you guys as well. I used to love watching videos like this when I first started my e-commerce / creator journey back in 2020. So I'm so thankful that I'm able to now be this person for you guys. You guys already know I will never sell a course. I never plan to sell a course, and my education on my YouTube channel is 100% free. A lot of you guys always ask me why I don't sell courses and why I am committed to 100% free education. I feel this way because if I can't use my blessings to bless others and to help other people in the making, I really don't see a point in even having all these blessings myself. A lot of people place their happiness in materialistic things, but if you know me and you follow my YouTube channel and my personal life on Instagram, you know that I have realized that that is not the sole purpose of happiness, and I am just trying to fulfill God's plan for my life, which is a big reason of why I made this YouTube channel that you're watching me on right now. If you haven't already watched my YouTube channel, I have a step-by-step playlist showing you guys how to start your own online business exactly like how I started mine, along with so many other free courses and other videos to help you make money online and to help you guys become financially free. So I know you guys are here to find out how I made $80,000 in 1 month, so let's get right into this YouTube video. We were averaging $35,000 a month, and now we worked our way up to then $50,000 a month, and May of 2022 has been our biggest month yet, hitting over $80,000. So I'm going to be breaking down all of these revenue streams and how this is all added up. Income stream number 1 is Facebook Reels. So I personally did not realize you could make money from Facebook. And when we started making money on Facebook, that was a huge surprise to me. I didn't even know you could monetize your videos on Facebook at the time. So just from our Facebook Reels alone, we made $34,196. And I know it always says approximate or estimated, but we've never received anything other than the estimated or approximate amount. If you guys are wondering, okay, how are you doing this? What are you posting? So I started taking videos of my dog in 2020, beginning of 2020, and my dog's account has blown up on TikTok, as well as across other social media platforms. As far as Facebook goes, I grew her Facebook account by sharing her Facebook posts to groups that are within her niche. I talk about this in other videos on my YouTube channel. I'm not going to get too deep into each thing because I already have tutorials about this on my YouTube channel. But the Facebook Reels bonus was a huge revenue stream for us this month.
Here's another example of a way that we make money from Facebook, and this is just from the past few months. This isn't that much to make it its own revenue stream, and we could make a lot more from this. You guys could see this actually went down a lot. We could make a lot more from this, but the reason why is we're just not focused on it. We're focused on Reels right now because the Reels are making a lot of money and it's easy. This is monetization for videos over 4 minutes.
Revenue stream number 2 that added to this $80,000 month is YouTube monetization for my dog's account. So with my dog's account, we also have a YouTube channel for her where we post horizontal type videos to YouTube, and we are monetized for our YouTube views as well. In May 2022, we made $5,273 from her Facebook monetization. That is our number 2 bigger revenue stream that I wanted to include for her channel. So revenue stream number 3 is my e-commerce store. In my online store, we made around $34,000 just from that. A big reason that contributed to my high sales growth for that month is I started doing TikTok live streams for my online business, and that definitely contributed to a rising amount of sales that I had for that month. And you guys know I never buy ads. I have an 80% profit margin for my online e-commerce business because I do not pay for ads. I do all my own videos and promotions myself. A lot of times you see people showing these crazy analytics making $1 million, but if they're spending a lot of that money on advertisements, and for example, if you're spending thousands on advertisements or other things, your profit margin is really low. So that's one thing to keep in mind. If you see these gurus flexing and showing all these analytics, you don't know how much they spend in ads or other things. So that's one thing to keep in mind. And the thing with that is a lot of people that recycle information and sell courses on recycled information, and they're teaching you just to buy ads because one, they don't care about your pockets, and two, because that's the only way that they personally know how to market an online business. To add on to this, we were under contract for a brand deal for my dog's channels for $20,000. And unfortunately, this brand, they had to put off the brand deal another month. So we're actually going to be posting that this month. But if that brand deal would have worked out in the contract like we expected, we actually would have made $100,000 in May of 2022. There is a few other revenue streams that are smaller that are not really mentioned in this video. These are things like our TikTok views that we get paid for. We get paid for Instagram views as well. But I didn't want to go through each thing because honestly, even I lose track sometimes because there's a lot of different smaller revenue streams that we have as well. We also have an e-commerce store for my dog, which is not mentioned here. We actually don't have any more of her plushies that I manufactured in stock at the moment. So we haven't really been having a lot of sales on my dog's e-commerce store as of right now, but her creator side of monetization has been doing amazing. And again, guys, you can do so many things like without even showing your face. A lot of people think like, oh, in order to be monetized or to have like a famous account or something, you have to show your face or you have to be a famous creator, and that's just not true. There's so many YouTubers across YouTube that have faceless channels that you guys could do too if you're not somebody that wants to show your face. And you guys can see there's so many revenue streams that come along with content creation. And just like how I get paid for TikTok views even on my dog's account, I also get paid for TikTok views on my business account as well for BADDIES, my online business, and getting a lot of views on my business account. So it's just extra free money. All of these income streams combined made us to $80,000 in May of 2022, which is our biggest month yet. Another reason why it's important to have multiple streams of income and that if you start one thing, you'll wind up starting another thing is because oftentimes when one income stream is doing really good, the other one is not doing so good. And I really think that's because I focus my attention on one revenue stream over the other, just because maybe it's just what I'm in the mood for that month, honestly. But in May of 2022, we definitely were able to raise everything up in order to get to this $80,000 month. And a lot of you guys always ask me about taxes in a lot of my other comments on my other videos. This is not without taking the taxes out. This amount is obviously like money that I have not paid taxes on yet, and I am not a tax professional, so I'm not allowed to give you tax advice. Although for me personally, many things in my life are tax write-offs for these revenue streams. Just like how right now I'm in New York City for the week and I'm shooting a lot of content here on my phone for my products, and being here is able to help my business, therefore I'm able to write this trip off my taxes. I definitely feel like people pay more in taxes as an employee than they do as a business owner, and there's constantly new perks of being a business owner that the IRS allows, such as this year you're allowed to write off 100% of meals, where before you could only write off 50% of your meals. This year you're able to write off 100% of your meals. So every time we go out to eat and we talk about business, or if I have business meetings, all of that is written off my taxes. I'm writing things off in order to lower my taxable income, and then I'm paying taxes on whatever that income is. So if anyone was kind of stuck on that, I just wanted to kind of like explain that, and I hope that helped. But definitely don't let taxes stop you from starting that business that you've always wanted to start. I have an accountant, you'll find an accountant. The first year I did it myself. So just start making money first, and then you can worry about all of the things that you need to do as well. So you guys probably assume that just because I'm making this money that I'm living this lavish lifestyle, and I love to travel, so a lot of the money that I do make I'm able to spend as a business expense traveling. Traveling is not as expensive as people make it out to be. I have not upgraded my lifestyle. Right now, I picture my money as seeds, and I'm planting these seeds and waiting for the right time in my life to have a harvest, which means like to upgrade my lifestyle. And I think that's the worst thing that people could do, is when they start making money, eat the seeds, also known as like spending the money. And that's one of the worst things that I feel like people could do, because it's so important as an entrepreneur to have money in your savings account, or to have money invested in making money for you somewhere else. So that's the biggest thing, is when you start making money, that's one thing that I want to tell you guys, is like, don't go and spend it on designer, don't go and spend it on things that are going to make you look rich. Go spend it and make sure that you're investing in things that are going to make you wealthy and build wealth in your life, in order to continue to be financially free. You guys know, if you guys watch my TikTok or my Instagram, that I have a lot of things in the works right now, and I cannot wait to share this new avenue with you guys. The number one thing I genuinely desire in my life is feeling free financially and being able to help others in the process. Like I said in the beginning of this video, if I cannot use these blessings that I have in order to bless others, educate others, help other people, then I personally don't see the point in having it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you, to inspire you in some kind of way. People charge thousands of dollars for the information that I give you absolutely for free, so all I ask is that you hit that subscribe button and like this YouTube video for the YouTube algorithm. If you haven't already, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram as well, at BADDIES for more business inspiration. Love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!